Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can cancel order on Skullcandy website. So guys, the order to cancel is easy, but you have make sure guys if it's not yet been dispatched. And what you have to do guys, go to website and log into your account and click the button of order and click on tracking and enter your details and click check the state. If it has been not dispatched, you can see your order details and go back to home page and click on your account profile in top right corner and click on order and select your order to cancel. After checking the state, then make sure health is not dispatched and go to support and make request to order cancellation, and you will wait to information about request and then your email and then cancel your order website. We done. I hope this video helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching, and any question down below and comment here and I will answer your question.